McPherson from the agency here, and I'm just outside my latest listing at 20 Rose Street in Lammermoor. Now, this low-set brick home packs a punch with so much to offer inside and is just a short walk to Lammermoor Beach. So let's head on in and have a look.
Always my defender. Do you think there is a chance you'll make up your mind? Wishing for the best, wishing for the best. When I look at you, I'm melt, you're one of a kind. Just let me have you all around. Don't say you don't wanna. It's a perfect night tonight. Above us only sky. Don't say you don't wanna. If you're down for a surprise, it's a never-ending ride. So would you?
Upon entry, you'll be impressed with the raised ceilings and the feeling of open space throughout this home. I absolutely love the appointment of the fixtures and fittings that they've used throughout and the way the functional floor plan connects to the outdoor entertaining.
Make up your mind. Wishing for the best, wishing for the best. When I look at you, I melt, you're one of a kind. Just let me have you all around. Don't say you don't wanna. It's a perfect night tonight. Above us only sky. Don't say you don't wanna. If you're down for a surprise, it's a never-ending ride. Don't say you don't wanna. It's a perfect night tonight. Above us only sky. Don't say you don't wanna. If you're down for a surprise, it's a never-ending ride. If you want your world to change your face.
So guys, there you have it for 20 Rose Street in Lammermoor. Situated on a 700 metre square allotment with limited neighbours and so much privacy and space. If you'd like to own your piece of paradise, please do not hesitate to call me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.
Above us only sky.